I'm going to bring you around into the courtyard area at the back of Gardener's Cottage. We have shown you this area before, but it's really at this stage in the seasonal growth looking very tropical, which is the effect we wanted to try and create when we first looked at creating this little area. Bay tree in this corner as you come out through the kitchen window, and then on the far wall we've got a combination planting of, I think that is Maygold the rose and the Wisteria coming through it. Not entirely certain on the variety, but it's a nice purple. That then feeds right the way across the top of the barge boards to another rose which is planted here at the base of the bathroom window, and that does give you a lovely effect as you look out through the windows of this lush tropical green. But it's the fig tree behind me which really, that was cut down to the ground at the beginning of this season, and it must now be back up to around 12 feet. These massive, great big huge leaves. I'm going to put my hand in there for scale. They really are probably about 15-16 inches. Absolutely gigantic, great big things that give this real sensation of being in a tropical garden when you look out through here. The lemon verbena we walked past when we first came in, and then that wisteria again coming along the northern aspect of this what is the downstairs utility area. Very lush, very nice, gravel on the base, an easy planting to maintain, and then with this little seating area again that's been refurbished over this season with the quite nicely moulded and decorated cast aluminium set that just gives guests an additional area to come and sit out in the evenings. Beauty of this little courtyard is it's west facing predominantly, so the house is to the east of the courtyard, and then this wall faces west. It gets the evening sunshine absolutely beautifully here and just gives you a really nice area, particularly on really warm summer evenings, to come and sit out. Also got, I don't think you can actually see it now, but just over the top of the bay you can, 5 ship's lanterns with external lights, so you've got the ability to just put some background lighting on in the evening in this courtyard and just enjoy this little bit of tropical paradise here on the North Norfolk coast.